Are we live? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's time for a cup of coffee. It's a little chilly out here this morning. I just brought a thermometer out to see what the temperature is, but it's probably in the 40s. A little chilly for me, but just this on. I need more clothes. Hey, I got a question for you. You know, many of us use social media to build a business, to build a home-based business. Now, that may be a word that that Facebook is monitoring, has decided they shouldn't show this video to many people because I talked about home-based business. But many of us are using social media to attract customers, the potential customers that we can talk to. But many people also don't know how to use social media correctly. Many times they join a business and they're told by their upline that, this product will sell to anybody, everybody can use it, just splatter all over the place, hang up posters and signs and spam your family and friends and etc. None of that works. It just doesn't. If you want to learn how to optimize your use of social media, I'm starting a study program next week. It'll run for about 30 days. We'll meet about a half hour a day, 5 days a week, and we're going to learn how to use social media correctly. Now, just in case you think that maybe I don't know how to do it the right way, I'm not actually supplying the material for the courses that we're going to be using. The material has been prepared by professionals, many people who are far more experienced than me. And we're going to talk about how to attract your ideal client. We call it Go for Yes. Attracting your ideal client, attracting people who are more likely to say yes to you and your opportunity or your product or service. And we're going to talk about posting, how to post, where to post, when to post, what to post. We're going to talk about how to build a list, how to protect your assets, that's your customers, your people, your prospects, and a lot of things that are really important. You know, the sad reality is, for example, TikTok just banned, I think it was TikTok, just banned MLM, network marketing. And the reason is so many people come into these businesses and they just spam links all over the place. And they make outrageous promises. I made $10,000 last month, you can too. And that's BS. It's pure BS. Anyone who says that is lying. Well, but they're not actually lying, because they may have made $10,000 last month. But what they're not telling you is that it took them 10 years to do it. So you gotta learn how this stuff really works. Here's the deal: if you're thinking that you need a plan B, if you're thinking that you need to get into some sort of a home-based business, etc., if you want to learn how to leverage social media and use it correctly to help build your business, you want to be in my study program next week. Shoot me a message, drop me an emoji, shoot me a message, let me know you're interested, and I'll get you the details, okay? And it's very inexpensive, by the way, very, 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 extremely, almost embarrassingly inexpensive. So just let me know you're interested, and I'll get you the information, all right? We're going to start on Monday, and I hope you'll join me. That's all I have for you today. You have a wonderful day. And let me just end with a comment that I've said so many times before. I hope you get taking me seriously. There's never been a better time, and perhaps there's never been a more important time for you to take charge of your own financial future. In my humble opinion, right now, we can't trust the government to do anything. Just can't. Don't let your financial future be dependent on the government doing the right thing. That's all I have to say. We'll talk again. You have a wonderful day, and remember, be compassion. The world needs a lot more of that. All right, my friends, we'll talk again. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday. This is the one day I don't put up a Coffee with Len video because I have another thing going on in the morning. But we'll talk again on Sunday. You have a wonderful day. Bye for now.